This is a theme-specific training for Unity sites in responsive theme number 3 and 777. Other theme-specific trainings can be found on the knowledge base section on support.1h.com under the responsive category. You will find trainings for all of our responsive Unity themes there. This training tutorial today will show you how to manage the stories content type on your new homepage. Now, the Our Stories content type is similar to like a blog or a news content type. And it's going to feed onto your homepage with the most recently posted item appearing over here on the left-hand side of the block in the larger image. And then you'll see 3 more items posted below it. And then you'll also have the ability to click on a button down here that'll take you to a list of all of the stories items that you have posted. Now you can add additional items. They will automatically post here onto this page, the newest item appearing at the top of the page. To create a new stories item, you'll want to make sure that you have an image that's at least 700 pixels wide by 478 pixels tall. And once you have that image ready, and you'll be able to add it to the home page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over how to create a new stories item, as well as how to edit a current stories item on your site. Please be aware that this block can also feed your blog items or your news items. If you do not want to use the stories content type, you could potentially switch out this block and have it feed maybe a current content type such as blogs or news. And that can be done in a quick support ticket at support.1h.com. But to edit the stories content type that is brand new for theme 3, you're going to want to go ahead to create a new one. You're going to scroll over content, scroll over add content, and then you'll see stories. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That'll take me to a page where I can edit and add in my stories information. So the title will show up on the home page. It is going to show up in the larger bolded white font of each of the story, not only over here in the larger image, but also over here in the smaller feed. So I can have, let's go ahead and add in a title, and then we can add in an image. We're going to go ahead and browse. Let's go an image, go ahead and upload that image. And then I can add in some body. Now the body will be just like the regular text that you would add to this item. Please be aware that you do have a teaser text that does show up on the home page over here, not only in a smaller feed, but also over here over the top of the image. So you can say, go ahead and just put a little bit of text in there. And then I'm going to come on down and I'm just going to save the item. Now that I've added it in, I'm going to go ahead and check my work on the home page, double check that the image looks okay, that the title is showing up, that the teaser text is showing up, and that it's linking to the correct page. So you'll see that that larger image does show up, and that the image that was previously over here is now pushed over to the right, that the title and the teaser text does show up, and if I click on the item, it takes me to my new story. So I could always come back in and edit for anything that's necessary, any content or etc. Now, if I wanted to edit one of the existing items, the stories items on the that either appeared on the homepage or even just on your site, then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and in the block admin menu, go ahead and click on content. That'll take you to a page of all of the content that you've added so far to your site. Now here I'm going to sort by the content type. In this case, I'm going to sort by stories. I'm going to go ahead and apply that filter. So that way it just shows me what I have listed so far for my stories. So I can come in here, I can edit. So that means I have the ability to change out the title, remove an image, add in a new image, and also update the content. And I can use update the content like I would on a regular basic page, so you can add in images and links, etc. And also, like a basic page, you'll want to make sure that you are cleaning up any content before you are copying and pasting it into the body, just like, again, a basic page. So if you are copying and pasting any content, please make sure that you are copying and pasting it into either a text edit or a notepad document. Both of those will make sure that they're removing any extra formatting that maybe you didn't see, and that everything's being pasted into the body as plain text. After you've made any changes to the body or to the page that you need to, come on down and save. And then, of course, check your work. So you have the ability to create new items as well as come back in and edit any of the existing stories items. If you have any questions about editing or creating any stories items for your new Theme 3 homepage, please go ahead and submit a support ticket at support.oneeach.com. It's easy to submit that ticket by clicking the Help button in the black admin menu, which will take you directly to support.oneeach.com, where you can submit a ticket, you can register your support site account if you haven't done so already, and you're also able to peruse Knowledge Base for additional training tutorials and articles. Again, if you need anything, support.oneeach.com is your kind of one-stop shopping for all things support, and our team is here to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.